till now we were discussing when the object is placed at different positions, how the image is going to be formed. So for that we have taken few important rays. That is, if ray is parallel to the principal axis, if the ray is parallel to the principal axis, it will meet at, it will pass from focus. So when a ray is parallel to the principal axis, it is incident on the mirror. It passes from focus. So all the parallel rays, they will be focused at focus. They will be incident and after reflection they will be passing from focus. Whether it is concave mirror or convex mirror. So focus, it gets reflected. If you produce them backward, it will be passing from focus. Second ray we have taken passing from center of curvature. Any ray passing from center of curvature and incident on the mirror. It will be incident at an angle of 90 degree to the mirror. That means angle of incidence is how much? 0 degree. So it will trace the path backward and it will pass from the center of curvature. The same path it traces back. Convex mirror, focus, center of curvature. So any ray, if it produces for that, it will pass it from center of curvature. Now it is incident at what angle? 90 degree to the mirror. Angle of incidence again 0. So it will angle of reflection will trace its path backward. Other ray, a ray passing from focus is incident on the mirror. A ray passing from focus incident on the mirror, it will move parallel to the principal axis. Parallel to the principal axis. Convex mirror, here we have the focus. Any ray incident on focus, it will be passing. So here we have center of curvature. Draw the line. This will be the normal.
Yes, sir.
This angle must be equal to this one.
Yes, sir.
So it will be after reflection. It will be moving parallel to the principal axis. These are the ray diagrams. Now using any two ray diagrams, using any two rays, whether among these any two rays will be using to get the where the image is formed. So we will be discussing different cases, that is depending on the position of the object. So different position where the object is being placed accordingly how the image is being formed. So first we will be limited to concave mirrors. So we'll start from infinity. That is when the object is at infinity. So if any object is at infinity, when the object is at infinity, ray coming from it, after a very long distance we can take them as parallel. For example, sun, it is very far away from the earth. So rays coming from the sun on earth. This is the sun. These are the rays. But since it is very far away, so these rays majorly they travel parallel. So we take them as parallel on earth because object is at infinity. Similarly here the object is at infinity, so rays coming from it will be parallel. Yes, no comments in class, stay quiet. Yes. So parallel rays you take. Now these parallel when incident on the mirror, they get reflected and they pass from focus. They pass from focus. So here is the center of curvature. Normal you have to draw. This will be the normal. These two angles are equal. You can draw using the laws of reflection. This will be our normal. These angles, angle of incidence, angle of reflection. These meet here. Now see here, object is at infinity. When the object is at infinity, what kind of image is formed? The characteristics of the image formed. See here, what is the image is just a point. All the rays are meeting at a point. So, point image is formed. That is, image is very diminished, very much diminished to a point. The image is reduced to a single point. So, image is very much diminished. Very small image, just a point we are getting.
Sir, can we do this by practical?
Yes, you can do.
How can we draw?
It's a point image. All the things just a point. So you see just a point.
How?
This is clear? I'll show you some videos. You'll get it. How?
Sir, now let's show. Sir,
Not now. Yes, after completion of the chapter only I can try. I can bring the project. I can show. But after completion of the other chapters. Okay. I will show the instruments as well. So first let's complete the syllabus and I'll show you the instruments as well. So this here the image characteristics of the image form. Diminish to a point. And see here, after reflection there is lines. These reflected rays are actually meeting. They are actually meeting. So it is real image. And real image is always inverted. So real diminish to a point, inverted image. These are the characteristics of the image formed when the object is at infinity. Now see here, this object will be bringing closer towards the mirror. We are bringing it closer towards the mirror. So second case I am discussing here. So for example, this is the center of curvature. This is the focus. Now object we are bringing closer to the center of curvature. There is one more case is there that leave it for timing. I will discuss. Now for example, object is here. Here is our object. We are bringing it towards center of curvature. See here. When it was infinity, image was formed at focus. And this time, see here. Parallel ray to the principal axis. One ray we are taking. Two rays we will be taking from each point. So, and after reflection it will pass from focus. So this will be our reflected ray. Bhavesh, look here. Close the book which is under the table. Yes, stay quiet. So after reflection it passes from focus one ray. Second ray we can take it passing from the center of curvature. So passing from the center of curvature it meets at 90 degrees. That is angle of incidence is 0 degree. So it will trace it path backwards. This is the incident ray. This will be the reflected ray. Now wherever these two rays meet, this will be the head of the image. This will be the image. So what you are seeing here is that, see here, when the object is at infinity, image is formed at focus, very diminished image. Now object is coming towards center of curvature. So as the object is reaching center of curvature, the image size, it will keep on increasing. It will move towards center of curvature. So see here, when the object is at infinity, image formed it at focus, point image. Now, as the object is coming towards center of curvature, as the object is approaching center of curvature, the image will be moving from focus towards center of curvature. It will be moving like this. So, it will be increasing size as well. Diminished to a point, some height, but still smaller than the object. So, as object is moving towards center of curvature, image is as well moving from focus towards center of curvature.
So it's center of curvature.
Let's see. Yes, stay quiet.
Excuse me.
1 minute. So as the object is approaching center of curvature, our image is as well approaching center of curvature and increasing in size. At center of curvature, they will become equal. So, what kind of image is formed here? Inverted real image. Since they actually meet after reflection, these rays are actually meeting, reflected rays. So it's a real image. Let me explain it first. And it's smaller in size. It is smaller in size. So characteristic is real, inverted, smaller in size. Yes, your doubt?
Sir, in that when the object is placed at infinity, then why we are not taking a ray that is passing through the center of curvature?
Okay, we can take passing from the center of curvature. Again getting reflected meeting here. Take it.
And sir, in this also we are taking it parallel to meet and focus.
Here.
Sir, in this when the object is placed at center of curvature, sir, if we are taking the parallel rays,
Yes, if you are taking the ray passing from focus, it will be getting parallel. Again, same. Any ray you take, it will make it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I am rubbing this way. This is clear. Now, the third case.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, if continuous rays are reflecting back, we are not able to make it back also. So how we can see the image form?
Image form. So here is the image is formed here.
Still in the air.
Now take some paper, okay, and from top the rays are coming, and take a paper here and move it here. It will be blurry, and here you will get the clear image on the paper.
Sir, on the paper.
On the paper you can anything you can take, text or white paper you take, the image will be formed here. Image will be formed here. We can try afterwards and we can try it. Even using convex lens, I can put the whole class image here on the white portion. Afterwards we show. This is clear. Now, third case. Center of curvature, focus. Now see here, object is approaching center of curvature. Image is moving from focus towards center of curvature. At center of curvature, take one ray, pass it from the focus. Take another ray, passing from the focus, get reflected. That. So here the image is formed. So see here what is happening. Yes, pay attention here. Shekhar, pay attention here. So as the object is moving towards center of curvature, from infinity is moving, the image is moving from focus towards center of curvature and increasing size. This is our object, for example. This is our object, this is our image. Infinity point. Now it is coming to our center of curvature. This image is increasing in size and moving to our center of curvature. At center of curvature, same length, same height. So same size. At center of, so as it is moving to our center of curvature, image is moving from focus towards center of curvature and increasing in size. It is going like this. And here, image is formed at center of curvature. Object is a center of curvature, image is formed at center of curvature. And they are of the same size. They are of the same size. At infinity object was there, our image was point image. Now it is moving towards center of curvature, size is increasing. But still smaller than the size of the object. At center of curvature they become equal.
Sir, in this case, if we take a ray from the center of curvature, then
You can take any ray, infinite rays are coming from.
sir, if we take it from the center of curvature, it will reflect.
It will never reflect, it will never reach the mirror. Object is a center of curvature.
If you are ready, you know that we can take any two rays to get
Any two rays you can take, but see here, these have some aperture as well. It's not an infinite. So if I take, like from here I am passing, this ray is never going to be on the mirror. So no use of taking that. Understood this case? Now further it moves towards focus. So again clear out. Further it moves towards focus. What will happen?
away from the center of curvature.
It will move away from the center. Center of curvature, focus. This time image is somewhere here. Object is here. Object is here. So take one ray passing from focus. Take another ray parallel passing from focus. What is there? Image is further moving. Further moving away from the. So see here what is happening. See it again, I am explaining it again. When the object is at infinity, our image was at focus. Now it is coming to our center of curvature. Image is also moving to our center of curvature. At center of curvature, they become equal in size. Now further it is moving, object is moving from center of curvature towards focus. Image is moving away from center of curvature. And again increasing. This side it is magnifying. Increasing, magnifying. As the object reaches focus, image will be at infinity. Image will be at infinity.
So then it will be a point.
No, it won't be point. It will be at infinity. Those rays meet at infinity. So it is increased in size, very enlarged image. Very enlarged image, it is going
It will
on.
always be inverted.
It will always be inverted because they are really meeting after reflection. So see here what is happening from center of curvature as the object moves towards focus. As the object moves towards center of curvature, both are the same size, image and object. But now as it is moving towards focus, the image is moving away from center of curvature. Both are moving away from center of curvature. Object is moving towards focus, image is moving towards infinity. Away from the center of curvature it is moving and increasing in size. So now we are getting magnified image. Now we are getting magnified. As it reaches focus, image will be at infinity. We will be seeing these cases now. So see here, now when the object is between center of curvature and focus, image is magnified. We are getting large image and large image. Image is magnified. It is inverted and they are actually meeting. It's a real image as well. Now, next case, for example, our object is moving towards, so this size image will be moving like this, increasing size. But now the object is at focus. Focus, center of curvature. At focus, so again take two rays. It passes from focus. And one ray I am taking at pole. So this same angle. See here. They are never meeting. We call them they are meeting at infinity. So this time image is formed at infinity. This time image is formed at infinity. This time image is formed at infinity. Okay, this case consider again object is at infinity. Here we have center of curvature, here we have focus. So initially image will be at focus. Point image. Now it is moving towards center of curvature from infinity. Towards center of curvature. Image is increasing in size but still smaller than the object. It is increasing in size. Now it has reached center of curvature. Same size. Now object is moving towards focus. Image is moving away from center of curvature. Object is also moving away from center of curvature. Both are moving away from center of curvature. Now it is magnifying, increasing in size. As it reaches focus, image will be at infinity.
So what do you think the image will get infinity?
At infinity image will be formed. See here, for example, from center of curvature some distance away from the center of curvature. Then again some distance, slight bit distance, more far away. Slight bit more distance, more far away. So as it reaches focus, as the object reaches focus, these rays after reflection they are parallel to each other. That means they are never going to meet. So we say infinity is formed at image is formed at infinity.
Sir, how can we see that image?
We are just saying it is formed at infinity. So go at infinity and take the paper and have the image. So first find the infinity.
Sir, if the parallel image is formed,
They are parallel, that means image is never going to form. But what we are saying, these parallel rays are going to meet at infinity. It's fine.
so then if the object is at focus, it will be an also image.
It's be a real image. These all are real. At focus we don't discuss. Between here, between center of curvature and focus, it's real image. Focus, leave it. Will it's considered image they are parallel, they are never going to meet. Even virtually they won't meet. So it won't be a virtual image.
So if we extend it backwards, then
Backward also they are parallel. They are parallel and backward as well. So they are not. Yes. Forget, leave it. Yes, so still now what we have discussed. Now look here. Shekhar, look here. So, object at infinity coming to a center of curvature. Image is moving from focus towards center of curvature. between center of curvature and focus of the object is, it will be magnified image and it will be moving away from focus, center of curvature. This is clear. Now one case is left, when the object is between focus and pole. When the object is between focus and pole. This time focus, center of curvature. So I am taking object here. I am taking object here. So one ray passes through. Another ray pole or center of curvature they have taken. Center of curvature. Okay, then we take that ray. Okay. Center of curvature. This ray. So this is the ray from center of curvature. Now see here, after reflection we got this ray. After reflection where it will be? Again tracing the same path. And now see here. They are diverging. They are never going to meet. These two rays after reflection they are not going to meet this side. So what we do? We will trace them backward. And here as well, focus is here, center of curvature. So they meet here. Now see here, this is very important. Convex are easy but concave are tough. So see here, what happens now? When the object is between focus and pole. When the object is between focus and pole, so see here, at focus, object image was at infinity. Now, as we are moving towards pole, they are diverging. That means you have to produce them backward. So, at focus, as you move little bit further, image will be formed here between pole and focus, near the focus. Image will be formed here. Now, this object, this is highly magnified image. This is highly magnified image. Now, as I am moving this object towards the pole, image will be moving towards the pole as well and decreasing in size. As the object comes to pole, image will be at the pole and the same size will be formed. Now, this is not possible, okay? Yes, they will overlap. But in reality, it won't be possible. But in theoretical, we can say, so see here again what is happening. When the object is at infinity, all are point image. It is moving towards center of curvature. Now these rays are diverging bit more and more. So earlier the rays are like this, they are diverging now. Okay, and they will become parallel. Afterwards they will, and we have to trace them
We
backward.
are standing in front of the mirror. Then we are seeing the same height, only how it is magnified.
Which mirror we are using? Plane mirror. So again, look here. I am revising it again. They are very easy to understand. Again, I am telling. Just listen here. Shekhar, look here. In exam, it may be asked if the object is between center of curvature and focus. Tell the characteristics of the image form. First understand it, then how to answer you will get. So see here, just listen now. When the object is at infinity, image formed it at focus, that is point image. Now as it is moving towards center of curvature, object, image is increasing in size and it is moving towards center of curvature. Characteristics remain same, diminish in size, smaller in size and real and quantity. Now at center of curvature, image as well reaches, is formed at center of curvature, same size. Now, as it moves from center of curvature towards focus, its size is increasing. Image size is increasing. It is getting magnified. Now, as it reaches focus, it will be formed at infinity. Now, from focus to pole. Now, from focus to pole, as the object is moving towards pole, image, as it is moving towards little bit towards from focus, here image will be formed on backward. We have to trace them backward. It will be virtual image and erected image, upright image, and highly magnified at near the focus towards the pole. Now, as it is moving towards pole, the image will be moving towards pole as well, and decreasing in size till they become equal. So whenever the object is between focus and pole, image formed is magnified image, virtual image, and direct image. So these kind of mirrors are used for shavings. For shaving purposes, these kind of mirrors are used. Even for dressing table or dressing little bit curved, yani ki there, that yes, now see here, it means we are taking a very little curved image. It means its focus is very far away. So whenever you keep your face between focus and pole, you will see your magnified image, and you can easily shave or you can easily dress or whatever you want to do. So this is concave mirrors are clear. Concave mirrors are clear. Convex mirrors are very easy. Yes. Quiet now and look here. Just convex mirror, one case is there only. So it will be easy if you compare them. So see a convex mirror. Convex mirror, no such cases, only one case is there. Wherever the object is there, we will discuss what kind of image. Yes, look here for convex mirror. Yes, quiet now. So, when the object is at infinity, for example, object is at infinity, so parallel rays will be coming. Parallel rays are coming. Now, here is the center of curvature. Focus, center of curvature. So, they will be reflected, they will be diverging rays. After reflection, one ray diverges this side. Other ray, center of curvature. This is the normal ray. We produce them backward. Here the image is formed. So when the object is at infinity for convex mirror, image formed will be point image at focus. Yes, it is virtual image, it is point image, virtual image. Okay. Now, as this object is approaching towards the mirror, it is approaching the mirror. This time, see here. Take the object here. One ray, focus, center of curvature. This is our ray. It is a parallel ray, so it will pass from. After reflection, it must pass from focus. So see here, this is the center of curvature. This is the normal. It gets reflected. We trace them backward. It will be meeting at focus. Another ray you take. Which ray we should take? Here the image is formed. So see here what is happening here. Yes, convex mirror. Look here. So when the object is at infinity, image formed it at focus. Object is at infinity, image formed it at focus. Now take this case when the object is somewhere. Okay. This time one ray is parallel, it will pass from focus. This is the normal from the center of curvature. Normal is there. This it will pass from focus, it will trace them backward, it will pass from focus. Another ray, take it from pole and goes this side. Here the image is formed. So see here what is happening. When the object is at infinity, image formed it at focus. Diminished image to a point. Now as it is moving towards pole, the image will be moving away from focus towards pole, and it is increasing in size. It is increasing in size. And as the object reaches pole, the image becomes of the same size as the object. So in convex mirror only one case. Object at infinity, point image at focus, virtual image. Now as it is moving towards mirror, the image is moving from focus towards pole. And it is increasing in size till it becomes equal at pole. You can see this one. Take the ray from center of curvature. Or you want to take the ray like this. See here. If we are, yes, look here. Sit on the corner. Ray from the center of curvature here. Take this ray. If you trace it path backward, another ray, which ray you want? Parallel one. Okay. Take the parallel after reflection, meet here. So produce them backward, they are meeting here. Draw it, you will get it.
So can't we take the ray from in the middle of that object?
Take it, that will be the middle of the object will be here. So every point is being reflected here. Yes, come in.
So what?
Mainly what we are doing, see here, we can take any ray. For example, this point will be pointed there. So what is we do? We take the top and the bottom. And wherever they meet, so top 2 rays we take, bottom 2 rays we take. Then we tell here the object will be found into it. So every point is being reflected. From every point on the object, infinite rays are coming. From that we are taking only 2 rays. So every point is being reflected. So how? Either we take every point and draw there, or simply what we can do, top and bottom 2 points we do, and rest we join. Yes, this is how the image is going to be formed. So you can take this this same length as focus, this same length as center of curvature. Just for our so it's over now. Just usage we have to discuss. Yes, stay quiet. Stay quiet. Only uses are remaining. 2 minutes. These are very interesting as well. Yes. 1 minute. Yes, stay quiet, everyone. Shekhar, Kalpesh, stay quiet. Yes, your doubt? Washroom, go. Yes, uses only we are discussing. Use of concave mirror as a shaving mirror we have discussed.
Yes, sir.
That is, you have to put our face between pole and focus. Between pole and focus. So a mirror which is having a good size, good length of focus. That is very less curve it is. So here the mirror is there. This much may be the focus. This much far it may be there. Now as a reflector, how the reflector can be used. So see here, since concave mirror, all the rays are incident over it. So they will meet. So mainly if infinite rays are coming from, if the rays are coming from infinity, parallel rays are incident over it, they will be focused at a point. They will be focused at a point. So as a reflect, okay, this we have discussed. Now if all the rays are coming from the point, from the focus they are coming. After reflection they will be parallel. So in torch what we do? This is the reflector at the back. At focus we place the bulb. At focus we place the bulb. Now the rays, after reflection they will be